Hey there, amazing listeners. Welcome back to the Better You podcast, your go-to space for personal growth, inspiration, and tools to create the life you truly want. I'm Unique, your host, and today, we're diving into a book that has sparked a global movement and changed how millions of people think about success, happiness, and abundance. It's The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. The Secret explores the law of attraction, a universal principle that says your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. At its core, this book suggests that by focusing on positivity, gratitude, and abundance, you can attract your dream life. Today's episode will be packed with value. Here's what we'll cover. First, the core philosophy of The Secret and how the law of attraction works. Second, key lessons from the book, broken down with relatable examples. Third, actionable steps you can take to start applying The Secret in your life today. So, grab your favorite drink, settle into a comfortable space, and get ready to uncover the secret to transforming your life. Let's start with why The Secret has resonated with so many people worldwide. Rhonda Byrne argues that the universe operates like a giant mirror, reflecting back the energy and intentions you put out. The law of attraction isn't about magic, it's about aligning your thoughts and emotions with the outcomes you desire. Byrne herself discovered The Secret during one of the most challenging times in her life. Her journey of transforming despair into abundance inspired her to share this knowledge with the world. Think of your mind like a radio station. If you're tuned to a station of negativity and scarcity, that's what you'll attract. But if you tune into a station of gratitude and abundance, you'll draw those experiences into your life. What station are you tuned into right now? Is it aligned with the life you want to create? Let's see. First lesson: ask, believe, receive. One of the foundational concepts in The Secret is the three-step process of ask, believe, receive. First, ask. Be clear about what you want. The universe loves specificity. Second, believe. Trust that what you desire is already on its way. Doubt sends mixed signals to the universe. Third, receive. Open yourself to the blessings by feeling gratitude as if you've already received them. Let's see example from the book. One powerful story in the book involves a man who created a vision board. He cut out pictures of his dream home and lifestyle and visualized them daily. Years later, he realized he had manifested the exact home he had pinned to his board. Take a moment right now to think of one thing you deeply desire. Visualize it in vivid detail. Imagine how it feels, smells, and looks. Hold on to that feeling of gratitude. Let's see second lesson, the power of gratitude. The second key lesson is about gratitude. According to The Secret, gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for shifting your energy and attracting positive outcomes. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you raise your vibration. This shift in energy draws more things to be grateful for into your life. When I started practicing daily gratitude, I noticed a huge difference in how I felt. Even on tough days, listing 3 things I was grateful for helped me shift my mindset and find peace. Start a gratitude journal. Every morning or evening, write down 3 things you're thankful for. Watch how this simple practice changes your outlook over time. Let's see third lesson, your thoughts create your reality. The next lesson is a big one, your thoughts create your reality. Every thought has a frequency. When you think positively, you send out a high-frequency signal that attracts similar high-frequency experiences. The same applies to negative thoughts. There's a story of a woman who was drowning in debt but decided to shift her focus. Instead of stressing over her bills, she started visualizing checks arriving in the mail. Over time, her financial situation began to improve as unexpected opportunities and income appeared. Pay attention to your self-talk. Are you constantly worrying or thinking negatively? Replace those thoughts with affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance, or good things are always see. Let's see fourth lesson, take inspired action. Here's an important distinction. the law of attraction doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for things to happen. You also need to take inspired action. When you align your thoughts with your desires, opportunities will present themselves. But it's up to you to act on them. A man in the book wanted to meet his soulmate. Instead of just wishing, he made space in his life, clearing out half his closet and setting the intention for a partner. Soon, he met the love of his life. Think about a goal you have. What's one small step you can take today to move closer to it? Let's see fifth lesson, letting go of doubt. The final lesson is about letting go of doubt. When you doubt, you send conflicting signals to the universe, delaying or blocking your desires. A story in The Secret describes a woman who wanted to manifest her dream job. She started visualizing it daily but kept doubting whether she deserved it. Once she released her doubts and fully trusted the process, the job appeared almost effortlessly. I've experienced this myself. When I doubted my ability to grow this podcast, I held myself back. But when I fully embraced my vision and stopped second-guessing, opportunities began flowing in. Write down your biggest doubt right now. Then, cross it out and replace it with a statement of trust, like, I am worthy of success, and it's already on its way. What an incredible journey we've been on today. Let's recap the key lessons from The Secret. First, ask, believe, receive, be clear about what you want, trust it's coming, and feel gratitude as if it's already here. Second, practice gratitude, focus on what you're thankful for to shift your energy. Third, your thoughts shape your reality, pay attention to your inner dialogue and focus on positive affirmations. Fourth, take inspired action, align your actions with your intentions. Fifth, let go of doubt, trust the process and the universe's timing. Let's see action plan. First, start a gratitude journal today. Second, visualize one goal every morning for 5 minutes. Third, replace a negative thought with a positive affirmation every time you catch yourself doubting. If this episode inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Better You podcast. Let me know your biggest takeaway or how you're planning to apply The Secret in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and transformation. Remember, the power to create your dream life is within you. Until next time, stay positive, stay grateful, and keep believing in your limitless potential.